orders. If I like, I order twice. Hibachi, got the gravy on the rice. Rolling in Mexico like a paradise. Out here living with no cares in the world. Take a swim at the beach with my girl. Man, these views are stunting. In a private pool, I can hear the birds humming. Fancy living out of sight. Champagne over ice. All day, all night, yeah. We are living the good life. Living the good life. Soaking up the sunshine.
Magandang araw po sa inyo. Ang i-discuss ko po ngayon ay tungkol sa gas consumption ng MGHS. Mag-update ako sa inyo mamaya. Siniro-zero ko na yung mga metrics niya dyan para accurate yung reading mamaya.
Living the good life. Living life to the fullest, won't regret it. Count my blessings, stack them up, never sell it. Jet ski revving, private jet setting. Everywhere I go, man, it feels like heaven. Walking on clouds, I ain't never.
Alright, naka-receive tayo ng tornilyo damage. Yan. Kailangan natin ipa-vulcanize yan mamaya.
Champagne over ice. All day, all night, yeah. We are living the good life.
Magandang araw. Ito yung inalabasan po ng biyahe ko. Ang distance na travel ko ay 47.3 km. Ang average gas consumption niya ay 12.4 liters per 100 km. Iko-compute ko yan mamaya kung ilan yan. O, ilalagay ko po dito sa screen kung ilan ang katumbas niya na kilometer per liter. Yung trip time ko po inabot ng 3 oras. Medyo matraffic po eh. Matraffic dito sa Maynila. Kaya yung naging average speed ko ay 16 km per hour. Okay, maraming salamat.